Would you like to create your own website in WordPress, but you are not sure how to do it as you do not have any coding knowledge? How about if I say you no need any coding knowledge to create your own website in 10 minutes? Sounds interesting, right? Hey guys, welcome to CGS Themes. Today, I will show you how you could install WordPress on your server within 10 minutes. Go to your hosting server and log in your profile. In this video, I am using Bluehost. Here is my login screen. Go to Advanced tab. Click on File Manager. Then public_HTML. Create a new folder. Give any name to the new folder. Here I have given the folder name as CGSThemetest. You can see the folder has been created. Click on the CGSThemetest folder. You can see the folder is currently empty. Go to google.com, search for download WordPress. Click on the first option from the search result. Click on download WordPress 5.2.3 button. Once the download is finished, go to the folder that you have created on your server. Click on the upload button. You need to upload the WordPress zip file on your server that you have downloaded from the internet. Once the file will upload, go to CGSThemetest folder and click on the Go button. You can see there is a zip file on this folder now. Select the zip file and click on the Extract button. Once the extraction done, you will see a new WordPress folder has been created. You can see the list of files under that WordPress folder. Select all the files and folders. You need to move them to the main parent folder. Here, the folder name is CGSThemetest. You can see all the files and folders were moved to the parent folder now. Now you need to rename the wp-config sample.php file name to wp-config.php. Now we need to configure the database for your WordPress website. Go to cPanel of your server. Click on MySQL database under Database tab. Give any name to the database. For example, here I have given database name as CGSDev. Write the database name in a notepad for future use. Now you need to create a user under Add New User section. Here I am putting test as a username. Please save it in a notepad file. Then choose your password and save it in a notepad for later use. Click on the Create User button. Now your user has been created. The next step is to assigning that particular user to the database you have created. Go to Add User to Database section and select the database and the user you have created just now. Click on Add button. Click on All Privilege. It will give the user access rights to your database. Click on Make Changes. You can see now the database has been associated with the user you have created. Go to CGS Themes folder and select wp-config.php and click on the Edit button. Scroll down and you can see DB name, DB user, DB password. DB here stands for database. You need to replace those values with the details you have saved in your notepad. Once done, you need to go to the website URL. My URL will be the main domain / folder name. That means for me, the URL should be colsonsolutions.org/CGSThemetest. Enter this URL on your browser, and if you get this screen, that means your WordPress installation has successfully done. On this page, you need to select your language. Click on the Continue button. On this page, you need to put the site title, username, password, your email, etc. and click on Install WordPress. screen, install WordPress database on your server. Once done, click on Login button. It will redirect you to the admin URL of the website and ask you to provide the username and password of the admin of your website. Once you provide the login details, you can see the admin panel of your website. To know how you could install a new template in WordPress, please check my another video URL mentioned in the description below. Go to cgsthemes.com, create your stunning website today.